Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've made a couple of videos almost like this, but I've added a little bit maybe simpler way. Of course, this is easy enough done if you're using a color off your color palette, if you needed both those the same color. But if you've created your own color to show a customer, I'm going to hold down the control button, I'm going to add a little white, and I'm going to make that blue, a blue that I don't have in my color palette, let's say. Well, the old way, and still a good way, it's a little bit longer process maybe. Grab your eyedropper tool, your color eyedropper tool, take a sample of that and put it in that block. But there's almost a better way to do it. Hold down your right mouse button and your shift button and just move it over there. It'll copy that color. So let's do that one more time. I'm holding down the right mouse button and holding down the shift key and just boom. So if you were doing a lot, it might be easier to use an eyedropper tool because you could do multiple ones all over the page. Let's just make a couple more. I don't know where that one went. So if you were doing multiples, it might be better to only hit the F4 key. There's that extra block. To just use your eyedropper tool, because once you have the sample, you could just keep adding that color. Anyway, but try that right mouse button plus the shift key. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.